Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And today we'll be tinting the taillights of my Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Now before we get into that part of the video, this morning a few things happened before I actually went to a car meet. So let me show you in a very short clip what happened. Let's jump into it. Oh wait, what's this? Sensor, tire pressure, oh yeah. Cold weather brings lower temperature on the tires. 27, 28, 28.
DT, that's me. DT, that's me.
Okay, we're ready to roll.
DT, You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happy meals for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. So don't try to play around, don't try to play with them. My brother's out with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road, counting the days till I'm home. I could do show after show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play all my kids and it's water me. I see new loafers, I'm motoring. I just bought socks and stocks. I feel on top to top. Shipping a pop by pop. Still young in my 20s, I celebrate. This one for the dads, let me dedicate. Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner plate. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot.
Okay guys, back to the video. So this is the taillights, the 4 parts that will be actually tinting. My car is not too dirty, but still I got this kind of glass cleaner that I got at a car meet the other day. I've been using it a lot. You can show here, this is the sample bottle. I will actually be buying it, so everything I use here I will leave a link down in the description. I actually use this heat gun, which is very nice. It consumes the battery pretty quick, but it works great and it's handy and there's no cord to it. Now the 2 products that we will need will be in this box. Let me open this up. Okay, this is the tint that we'll be using. I went for a light tint. I'm not sure if I want it too dark, so if it doesn't, I will take it off and then I will actually be putting a darker one. But for now, this will be it. It has the Honeycomb Scat Pack kind of print in it, so that's why I choose this one. And here we got the knifeless tape that we'll be actually reusing. So let me show you how it works. To use a knifeless tape, pull out a little bit of extra, and I'm gonna start from the top, leave a good portion hanging outside here. I'll show you why once we get there. Knifeless tape nice in position. Let's peel off this and get started. Okay. This tint is wider than the taillight, So you're gonna push it a little bit more towards your left. Less residue to cut on the right side. Okay, we're about 80% down here, so just a little bit left in this corner. It's maybe hard to see on camera. It's a little bit wrinkled right there, and that's where we're gonna get out. Okay, now that the whole pattern is done, I'm gonna cut here. Good. I'm gonna create a little bit of a gap here. That's where the knifeless tape is going to start doing its thing. What you want to do, put some pressure here, start peeling this green stuff off and hold the metal wire. And that's what you're going to be pulling. There we go. Basically, the line that you draw with the tape, that's where it's gonna be cutting. If you had a straight line, you will get a straight cut. I didn't cut the last part, so I need to cut it right here. Okay, now let's start here. Remove the extra piece of tint. Then go up. The top part, I got everything out. And make sure to get all the green stuff out. Now here's you're gonna grab your heat gun and work and make everything smoother again before you adjust over here. Now let me cut this extra residue here. Excess tape. Heat it up. stick it on the side. Let's see how it looks now. Let me close the trunk. And there we go. Honeycomb. Plain. Precious honeycomb. In my opinion, it looks better already. We need to see it at night, so I'll show you guys the footage at night, how it looks. But so far, so good. The great thing is I got one done. The bad thing is I need to do 3 more. So I'm gonna have a quick dinner and then come back and finish it up and show you guys the end product. This will be the before. You can see 3 lights has not been tinted and the far right has been. And we're gonna turn the light on. Not too bad. Nothing, and honeycomb. So with the power of YouTube, we're gonna change it, and also the power of editing in 3, 2, 1. Look how nice everything looks. Nice honeycomb. Here we are. Everything is done. All 4 of the lights are completely done. Looks so much better. On the camera from a distance you kind of see it, but from in person it's so much nicer. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. My finger hurts, both of the thumbs from pressing and the heat gun and everything, but it looks so much nicer. This will cost you around 20 bucks approximately, which is not bad. So it looks great, and it's gonna take at least 2 hours of your time, maybe longer, depending how many breaks you take in between light. But man, totally worth it on the end. Now, if it's your first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. If you like what's going on, drop a like button and comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out.